In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Payoneer account from sign up to receiving payments. We'll walk through the entire process clearly so you can start getting paid with confidence. First, head to the official Payoneer website and click Sign Up. Make sure the URL is correct before you enter any information. You'll be asked to choose your account type. If you're a freelancer, student, or working solo, choose Individual. If you're registering on behalf of a registered business, choose Company. Pick the option that reflects how you'll receive payments so your account is set up correctly from the start. Next, enter your personal details carefully. Your name should match your government-issued ID exactly, including middle names if they appear on your documents. Add your date of birth, current address, and a phone number you can access right away. Create a strong password and set a security question. Aim for a password that's unique and hard to guess. A password manager can help you keep it safe. Now verify your email and phone. Open the confirmation email from Payoneer and click the link to confirm your address. Then check your phone for the verification code and enter it promptly. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. After that, link a bank account in your legal name so you can withdraw your funds. Double-check the account and routing numbers before saving to avoid delays. The name on the bank account should match the legal name on your Payoneer profile. When your basics are set, submit your information for verification. Log in, go to Settings, then Verification Center. Upload clear, color copies of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address like a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the images are sharp, edges are visible, and there's no glare. The address on your document should be current and readable. Approval typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Keep an eye on your email for updates and respond promptly if Payoneer requests anything else. While you wait, avoid submitting duplicate documents unless asked. Once you're in, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds a one-time code at login for extra protection, an important step for safeguarding your funds. Finally, when your account is approved, go to Get Paid, then Receiving Accounts. Request virtual bank details in the currencies you need, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. Share these details with clients or platforms so they can pay you directly. And that's it. Your Payoneer account is ready to use, from sign-up to receiving payments smoothly and securely.